I am sick as a dog right now. I have that flu that's going around. Yesterday was horrible. I had a fever going the entire day. The chills, the body aches, the works, right? Honestly, I don't remember the last time I felt that bad. Oh, and just to add insult to injury, I friggin' broke the bejesus out of my pinky toe. Look at that. My poor pinky toe. I'm just having a day, man. But on the bright side, apparently this weekend we were supposed to get one heck of a winter storm, and it's going to snow. Up to a foot, they say. And I'm pretty excited for that. I love snow, and we never get it here in Oklahoma. In fact, the last time we had this much snow was 2009. And that was actually legendary, that storm, amongst my peers, because we actually had a white Christmas. That happened on Christmas Day. And I'm pretty sure that's the last white Christmas I've had. It was 2009. So that's depressing. But it's Oklahoma, you know? Hopefully I'm feeling better enough where I can go outside and film something cinematic and snowy, which is what I want to do. I'm pretty excited about this, but now I have laryngitis, so I can't talk about it. It's tragic. My sign is gone. Dash came out and went back in. My love for snow is just indescribable. It's snow in my hair. Laryngitis is getting better. We're on day 2. It's glorious. I can kind of talk. I don't know if we've gotten the the foot we were supposed to get, but we've gotten... What, Dash? We've gotten a solid 6 inches. What? Are you coming to check on me? He's like, girl, bring your booty inside. It is 5 degrees. What are you doing? Okay, let's get some glorious nighttime sparkly snow shots. Well, the snowstorm is over, unfortunately. I mean, we got a solid 8 inches, I'd say. Now I gotta wear my sunglasses so I don't go snow blind. And my dad's about to do some tractor stuff and clear off the driveway.